Okay, Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5 online lectures. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are doing great at home. And as I've always been telling you that stay home and stay safe and take care of yourself, all of you, okay? And when you are at home, don't forget that you have to study and don't forget that you have to help your parents as well because when you are at home, definitely you have to help others at home as well, okay? So, I hope you all saw the lecture yesterday, the recorded lecture that we had yesterday. I hope you all have seen that. And in that lecture, if you remember, I introduced you people to the present continuous tenses, right? You people have done the present, past, and future indefinite tenses before. And yesterday, in the recorded lecture, I introduced you to a new topic that was present continuous tense, okay? So today we will be actually focusing on the present continuous tense again, and I will be clearing your concept much further about it because there are few more things that we need to discuss about the same topic, okay? Is that clear, children? Beta, I cannot hear anyone because I don't want you people to unmute your mics right now. In the end of the lesson, when we will be done with the classwork, I'll give you 5 minutes when you can talk with me and you can ask me anything that you want. Right now, if you want to ask me anything, write it in the chat box, okay? Write everything in the chat box that you want to ask me right now, okay? Is that clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, if you don't have the mic and camera, no issue, but all you have to do is you have to listen to me, okay? That's equally okay, no problems. That's all right. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I welcome all the grade 4 students to English language class, and I am your English teacher, Ms. Sabarif, as you all know me. And our topic for today is present continuous tense, okay? Our topic for today is present continuous tense, okay? Now, what is a present continuous tense? First of all, let's see that. Let's look at the definition of what is a present continuous tense, okay? The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. So basically a present continuous tense, first of all, if you look at the word continuous, continuous is derived from the word continue, okay, continuity, okay, when something is continuing, it's going on and on and on. So present is the time that is right now. Present continuous tense therefore means an action that is going on right now, that is at the time of speaking or writing. Anything that is going on, any verb that is going on continuously in the present moment, that is right now, that is happening continuously, is called a present continuous tense, okay? Is that clear? What is a present continuous tense, children? I'm again repeating it. A present continuous tense is a tense that tells us about an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. That means it is in a continuous process. It is going on and on in the present moment. Is that clear? Okay. So for today we are doing the present continuous tense, so you only have to remain concerned about the present continuous tense. That is something that is happening right now, okay? Is that clear? Let's move forward. Now a present continuous tense is used to describe a continued or an ongoing action of the present. That is, it is used to tell about a continuing action of the present. Now if I'm making a sentence, look at the sentence structure. Let's look at the sentence structure here. How we make a sentence, how we structure a sentence basically in a present continuous tense. First of all, let's look at the positive. This plus sign here that you can see is a positive sentence. That is also called an affirmative sentence. A sentence which does not have no, okay? A yes sentence. Again, our sentence structure will remain the same. First, we have the subject, that is our noun. Then we either put is, am, or are, okay? the is, am, and are, we don't put them all together. We only put any one of them. And how do we put them? That depends on the subject. If the subject is singular, then we put is. If it's I in the subject, then we put am. And if the subject is plural, that is they, we, children, students, anybody. If it's a plural subject, then we are going to put are. And then we put the first form of the verb with the ing, okay? We put the first form of the verb with the ing. This is the basic structure of a present continuous tense sentence, okay? Is that clear? Is that clear, children, to everyone? Okay, so what is the basic structure? We take the subject, we put is, am, or are according to the subject, and then we put the first form of the verb with the ing. So the most important thing that we have to put here is ing, okay? You don't have to do any work in the copy right now. I'm telling you this thing again. Whenever you have to do something in the copy, I will let you know first, okay? If anything is supposed to be done in the copy, I will let you know first. Is it clear? Don't do anything in the copy until and unless the teacher asks you to do it. If I give you time, if I tell you, then only you will do anything in the copy. Is that clear, children? Okay. So if it's a negative sentence, that is a sentence that is a not sentence or a no sentence. So how will we do it then? We put the subject, then we write is, am, or are as according to the subject, and we add not. Not shows that this is a negative sentence, and then we write the first form of the verb with the ing. So look at this example. He is not playing football. Now he is my subject, not is my negativity, play is my first form of the verb, ing is the continuous tense, and of football is my object here. So subject, verb, object, and the verb always has an ing, okay? He is not playing football. Again, if it's a question sentence, that is if it's an interrogative or a question sentence, so how do we write that? We always begin it with is, am, or are. Again, I'm telling you this thing, we either use is, or we use am, or we use are. We cannot put all of them together. Is, am, or are, they will be used according to the subject. Let me tell that you in Urdu for those who are not understanding. Is, am, and are, ये तीनों एक साथ यूज नहीं होंगे. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है, दैट इज ही, शी, तो हम क्या या किसी का नेम है अली, हिना, हुसैन, एनीबडी, तब हम इज लगाएंगे. बट अगर हम आई यूज कर रहे हैं तो हम एम लगाएंगे. और अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है, दैट इज चिल्ड्रन, दे, वी, तब हम आर लगाएंगे. Is that clear? And then we put the subject and the first form of the verb with ing, and always in a question sentence you have to put a question mark, okay? A question mark is necessary here, okay? Is that clear? So again I'm repeating, subject plus is, am, are, that are the helping verbs, plus the first form of the verb and ing, okay? सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा, फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा, दैट इज, एम या आर में से कोई एक. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आएगी प्ले, कुक, हिट, रन, ओके. एंड देन उसके बाद ing लगाएंगे, दैट इज गोइंग टू शो द कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ing इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ अ कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इट्स अ मस्ट, ओके? क्लियर एवरीवन? Okay, let's move on. Now, the simple present and present continuous tense. You have already done the simple present tense, that is also called the present indefinite tense, and we have done the present continuous tense today. So let me show you what is the difference between both of them to make your concept further clear. Let me tell you what is the difference between a simple present and a present continuous tense, okay? Let's see here. Simple present and present continuous. Simple present, we have the subject plus the verb, okay? And it is basically used, simple present को हम कब use करते हैं ज़्यादातर? जब हम लिखते हैं express general truth. जब हम कोई general truth की बात कर रहे होते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ that is happening right now, अगर हम उसको present tense में बता रहे हैं, so we will be using the simple present tense. Example, she reads a newspaper. This is just a general thing that I'm talking, so I'll say she reads a newspaper, okay? But Present continuous. When do we use present continuous? Subject, that is am and are plus verb in when the action is happening right now. Okay. She is reading a newspaper upstairs. Okay. Now see what is the difference between both the sentences here. As you can see that she reads the newspaper. इसमें हमने कोई time नहीं बताया है कि she reads the newspaper generally, whether right now, whether she is habitual to reading a newspaper, whether she daily reads the newspaper. I'm not telling any time here, okay? But when I am saying she is reading a newspaper upstairs, then it shows that right now this action is actually occurring right now. She is reading, that is at this very moment she is reading a newspaper. Okay, so you understand the difference between a simple present and a present continuous tense, and the difference where how they are used. Okay, suppose if I am saying Ali goes to school, so Ali goes to school every day, right? So this is a simple present tense. But if I'm saying Ali is going to school, so that means he's going to school right now. Okay, children, you don't have the chat box to talk to each other, bete. You have to listen to the teacher when I am telling something. Okay, all the children who are using the chat box and who are continuously writing the comments and hi hello to each other, please stop doing that and concentrate on the lecture. A virtual class is meant to make your understanding concepts clear. It is not meant to talk to each other. Okay, you can chat with each other over the phone. That's the most convenient way, but not right now, bete. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. Now, the spelling rules for the present continuous tense. Now, you know, when you're using an ing, then you have certain spelling rules that you have to follow. Wherever the verb, you're using a verb and you are adding an ing, you cannot always add directly an ing to a verb. There are certain things that you have to always make sure, okay, that you have to follow. What are the rules? Let's see here. Excuse me. Okay, present continuous spelling rules, no change. That is when there is no change in the spelling. Most verbs ending in Y add ing. So if the verb is ending with a Y, that is like buy, enjoy, play, say, try, talk, sing. Commonly, if the verb is ending with ing, and if it's not even ending with an ing, then we can also add a simple ing to it. That is buying, B-U-I-I-N-G, buying, enjoying, playing, saying, trying. So all the verbs that are ending with y, we just add a ing to them and they become continuous. Okay. Now most verbs add ing, that is eat, we directly add ing. Talk, we directly add ing. Sing, we directly add ing. Cook, ing. Start, ing. Do, ing. Stay, ing. Fixing. So we are not subtracting anything from the spelling. We are not, changing any word here. We are only adding ing to most of the verbs. Okay, this is the common way how we change a verb into the ing. Okay, but there are certain different rules as well. Now where do we change? Okay, verbs ending in e, drop the final e. So any verb that is ending with e, hope, write, make, write, leave, drive, dance. Now all these verbs you see here are ending with E, alphabet E. They are ending with the alphabet E. So what we do, we remove the E, that is we take away the E and we directly add ing, okay? We take away the E and we directly add ing. Is that clear? How? Let's see here. Hoping, H-O-P-I-N-G, hoping. Now it's not hopping, it's hoping, okay? Riding, R-I-D-I-N-G, riding. Making, M-A-K, I remove the E, I directly add I-N-G. Making, write. We directly add I-N-G, writing. Believe, believing. Drive, driving. Dance, dancing. So D-A-N-C-E, dance, and I-N-G. I remove the E and I directly put I-N-G. Clear? Okay, now let's look at the next one. So what this purple monster wants to tell us, he just has 2 teeth. He looks quite cute to me. Okay, words ending with I-E. The verbs that change to the IE to Y and add ING. Okay, so we remove the IE and we add what? YING, okay, to it. That is, instead of IE, we put Y and then we add ING. Die, dying, tie, tying, lie, lying. Okay, these are very common mistakes that students make because they always do this, that L-I-E-I-N-G, lying. That is wrong. Okay, you remove the I and E and you put Y instead of I-N-E, and then you directly put ing, I-N-G, ing. So this is the spelling. Okay, is that clear? Now let's look at the double letters. Some of the verbs, when we change them into continuous tense, we double the center letter. Okay, now what is the rule for that? Let's see. Let's see here what's the rule for that. verbs verbs ending with one vowel and one consonant. Okay, if the verb has one vowel and one consonant, then we double the last letter. Okay, that is, we double the consonant and add ing. Now let's look here. Jog, J-O-G. O is my vowel, G is my consonant, right? And it's a one syllable word, that is jog. I say it directly, it's not a syllables. There are no two syllables, दो sounds नहीं आती हैं, एक sound आता है, jog. Okay, so I will double the last consonant, that is G. G मेरा consonant है, तो मैं G को double कर दूंगी यहाँ पे. Is that clear? Yes beta, and believe there is E. Okay. Okay, jog, jogging. Sit, I is my vowel, T is my consonant, so it becomes sitting. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Run, running. R-U-N, run, U is my vowel, N is my consonant. I double the consonant, it becomes running. Stop, S-T-O-P, stop. O is my vowel, P is my consonant. I double the P, so it becomes a stopping. Swim. I is my vowel, M is my consonant. I double the M, so it becomes swimming. Okay, is that clear? Now let's look at the another one. What this? Oh my God, he has three eyes, this blue monster. He looks terrible to me. Does he look terrible to everyone? Yes, he looks so terrible. Yes, Sadia Batul, you can go and drink water. That's okay. No, no problem. If the second syllable is stressed, double the consonant and add ing. Admit. Now see, these are two syllables. Admit. Add is one sound, mit is another sound. Admit. So what do? We double the consonant in the last part, okay? We double the last part, that is MIT, mit becomes MITTING, mitting, admitting. Prefer, prefer. Pre is one syllable, fur is another, prefer. So preferring, FERRING. Begin, begin. B is one syllable, gin is another, begin. So it becomes beginning. We double the second syllables, last letters. Okay, beginning. I hope it is clear to everyone. Any questions so far, children? You can ask me. Otherwise, we will begin the classwork. Any questions? Is the concept clear of the present continuous tense to everyone? Okay, so let's begin our classwork. Okay, kindly take out your English language copy, everyone, and let's begin our classwork with it. I want you all to take out your English language copies. I told you this all week we will be working in the language copy, so you all need to have your language copies by your side. Okay, now I'll start writing the index, please. I told you the serial number can be different. You people can have a different serial number. If whatever serial number is yours, write your own serial number. I think it must be 7, so I've written 7, but you can write your own. Then you're going to write the date here. That is 13/1/21. Then you will write the present continuous tense, definition, structure, and sentences. Please write the index. In the meanwhile, we have the azan also, so keep writing the index in the meantime. Okay. Okay, I hope you are done with the index. If your index is full, kindly use the index on the back side of the copy, please. Okay, let's move forward. This is the work that you have to do today. Leave one page for the title page. You can always make it afterwards, okay? Make the title page afterwards for present continuous tense. Leave a page, a blank page, in which you will be making the title page, okay? And then start doing the
Miss,
work
my
from the
index
next
is
page.
not completed.
But if your index is not completed, then you can always go
Miss,
back to
my
this.
index is
Okay,
also not
listen to me.
completed.
Listen to me, beta. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, if you have not
Miss,
completed
show the
any
index
work,
again.
if you have not completed any work during the slides, leave them.
Miss,
I will be uploading the lecture on the Google Classroom. You can
Miss,
go back and do it
Miss,
from there, okay? Leave, if your index is not complete, if you have missed something, leave it right now. You can do it afterwards from the Google Classroom. I will be uploading the lecture. Don't. Yes, beta.
hello, Miss.
Hello, everyone.
Miss, index, show me your index.
Beta, I
Miss,
told
show
you.
me index.
मिस
तो
टाइटल
क्या
पेज के लिए इंडेक्स वो पेज छोड़ना है.
Yes, leave a page for the title page. Please leave a page for the title page for the present continuous tense. Leave a page for that and start the work from the next page. Okay? You have to write the definition of present continuous tense first, then you will write the structure. These things will be written with the blue color. Okay, I've written them.
मिस टाइटल पेज के लिए
Write with the blue. Yes, leave a page for the title page. Yes, yes.
Miss,
Yes, bete
Miss,
mana.
do we have to write the heading of definition with blue color or the whole definition with
No,
blue
no,
color?
only whatever I've written in pink, you can write that with the blue color. Okay, write the heading definition with the blue color only.
मिस लाइक
Okay,
दिस.
Miss.
Yes,
मिस
beta.
ये सब लिखना है कॉपी में जो आप दिखा रही हैं अभी.
Yes, you have to do this in the copy, bete. This will be done in the copy. I told you that we are beginning the classwork now.
मिस
Yes, Sadi.
copies I have done it by of copy, okay? मिस ये जो काम है ये उधर आएगा वीडियो के ये आएगी.
Everything will be coming in the video. This whole lecture will be uploaded on the Google Classroom after the class. Okay, so you can miss
copies
anything.
I have done out of copy I have submitted.
Beta, if you have submitted the copy, then make sure you collect it. Okay.
Yes. मिस आप अभी जो स्क्रीन पे दिखा रही हैं कॉपी.
Yes, you have to do this work in the copy, beta.
I
That's
don't
why
have
I told
copy.
you that if you don't have the copy, do it in a rough copy, beta. No issue, no problem.
I have
Do it in
copy.
a rough copy or in the back
Okay,
of your
miss.
diary, lesson diary. You can also do it there. And when you get the copy, make sure you copy this work in your classwork copy, in your English language copy, okay? I want to see all this work in the language copy when you submit the copy on 16. All this work will be checked in the copy when you submit the copy on 16 of January, that is Saturday. I want all this work in the copy, okay?
Okay, miss. मैं दिखाऊंगी सबसे पहले. जल्दी जल्दी करो. मिस अभी हटाएगा नहीं.
No, no, I'm not putting it off. You can take your time. Work Mohammed Khalfan, you have raised the hand. What is the problem? Better tell me.
Miss Amar Nawaz mic is open. My all Amar Nawaz mic is open. My mic is turned mute. Unmute.
Okay, beta. I have unmuted all of you, so if you have anything to ask me, you can ask me. And if anything is not clear in this today's lesson, you can also ask me that right now. Okay, this is the time for you people to ask me whatever you want to ask me.
Okay, Miss.
Miss Mohammed Kalpan is so loud.
Like this.
You have to write each and everything that I am showing you right now. You will put the heading on the red line, present continuous tense. Then you will write definition, this definition heading with the blue pencil. Then you will write present continuous tense is used to describe a continued or an ongoing action of the present. You will write this with a pencil. Then you will write a structure, this heading of a structure with a blue pencil. Then you will write subject plus verb.
Miss done. Miss, I have not done. Miss, I'm not done.
Also not done. उनको पता चल गया होगा ऐसे.
Done my work. Please wait.
मुझे done my work.
Miss, I want present tense work.
Okay, no.
Miss done.
Okay, let others also.
Miss,
So I have not done.
Miss, I don't.
So I have not done.
काम तो करो जाके ये वाला तो दिखा रही है क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं पर्सनली
ये दिखा दे.
दिखाओ तो इसको पागल हो क्या
क्या है आपको?
Yes, I have done.
No, Miss, I don't have done.
Yes, I have done.
Okay, beta.
Miss, I have done.
Okay, these are the sentences that you have to write. You will put the heading. You will not under the same heading, present continuous tense. You have to write the sentences now. Okay, I am writing a story. He is reading books. They are playing football now.
Miss, मेरा नहीं हुआ.
That you have to
Miss,
write.
I'm writing. Miss, I'm done. Miss,
Beta, if all of you will talk together, I cannot listen. Say one by one.
Miss.
Yes, you have to do the sentences on the next page. Who is writing? Okay, I'm showing the slide for 5 more minutes. Be quick.
Yes, now 100%. Yes.
Miss.
Ji, beta.
Miss.
Yes, Salman, I'm listening.
Miss.
Kalpan is so loud.
Don't erase.
Miss, when we have space, so we write sentences in.
Yes,
I
if
have
you
done
have
my
a
work.
space, you can write it under the same thing.
Miss
No
Mohammed Kalpan is so loud.
We're like, space.
Miss, और work है कि नहीं?
Yes, these are the sentences that you have to write. Write the sentences.
मिस, ये जो आपने ब्लैक कलर से लिखा है, ये इसको ब्लू कलर से लिखना है.
Exactly. Write it with the blue color.
मिस, मेरा हो गया.
Very good.
हेलो मिस.
Yes, very good if you have done better. Keep revising.
Miss, done my work.
मिस, रिवाइज भी कर लिया मैंने.
वॉलेट में नहीं होता है.
Okay, good.
कट का नहीं पता उनके. ड्रॉज में देखो, ड्रॉज में होगा. मिस, आप पीछे वाला काइंडली आप दिखा सकती हैं क्योंकि मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Let all the children complete this, okay, first, because now I cannot keep on changing the slides again and again. The ones who are doing this, then they will have a trouble. If you have missed something, wait, okay? And then you can also have it from the Google Classroom. Don't worry.
टीचर और इसके बाद भी कहाँ है?
Miss done.
No, this is the
Miss
end.
done.
This is it.
Miss done my work.
Miss.
Okay, very good. Those
Miss
of
done.
you who have done your work, very good. Just check it once.
Miss, I done.
Very good if you have done.
पीछे वाला दिखा सकती हैं?
Done.
Just give me 2 minutes, Vete. I'll show it to you once everybody is done with this page, okay?
Okay. I have done present continuous tense.
Have you done the sentences also? Then make the title page, okay? Those of you who have done, make a beautiful title page. Come on.
I have done my work.
If you have
Done my work,
make
miss.
a wonderful title page. I want to see a very good title page of present continuous tense. Come on, make that.
Okay, miss. Miss, I have also done my work.
Very good.
Present tense. Miss.
Yes, Vete.
Miss, picture दिखा.
Loud.
Miss, picture है ये structure. Miss.
Okay, I'm going back.
Miss, 5 is very
Okay, there you are.
Miss. Miss.
Yes, Vete, I'm listening. Who's this? Sahal. Yes, go ahead.
Miss, 5 is very loud.
Okay, who wants to say something? I'm listening. Hurry up.
Miss, this is done.
Yes, this is done, Vete.
Miss.
Miss.
Previous
I am done.
slide that I'm showing to the children who missed the work, I'm showing you again.
Miss,
This
I have done.
okay, this is the index. I'm showing it to you again. If you have not completed the index, I'm showing it to you for 1 minute. Hurry up and complete the index. Okay.
Miss, I have done.
Okay, those of you who have done, that's very good.
Teacher.
Yes, Vete.
Tense भी होंगे ना.
Miss,
Yes, Nabiha.
my work is done.
Very good. Now make a title page.
Teacher,
One second. बस आगे वाला दिखा.
Okay, I'm showing the second one. Everybody's done with the index. किसी का रहता तो नहीं है? Everybody's done.
Miss,
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm giving you 1 minute. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up.
I have done my work.
Miss,
Yes, Bete.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, tomorrow school is open.
School is open every day. Why do you want to come to school? You want to collect your copy?
Yes, miss.
Yes, you can go to school anytime before 12, I think 2 o'clock or 12 o'clock something. You can call up at the school and ask them and you can go and collect your copy with them.
Miss, please. Okay, miss. Thank you. 5 is very loud. 5 is very loud.
Okay, done with the index. Let's move on. This is the first page of the work. Those of you who missed the first page, I'm showing it to you again. Okay.
No, miss. No. लगा दे भी लगा दे.
Okay, now all of you listen to me very carefully. Everybody listen to me very carefully. Everyone. Okay, listen to me very carefully.
Okay, miss.
All of you who have done the work, who have not done the work, just listen to me carefully. Yes,
ये lecture कर देंगे.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Next page.
This page you want? This page?
Next page.
Okay.
I have done my title page.
Okay, very good. Then we have only 2 minutes.
I have also done my title page.
We have 4 minutes of the class.
I have also done my title page.
Okay.
Miss, today's class was so fun.
Thank you, Manha.
Miss, my title page is also done.
Very good. Very good, Navia.
Miss, what is the title?
Miss, I am enjoying this class.
Miss,
Okay,
I
thank
enjoyed
you.
this class a lot.
I am also.
Okay, thank you. I
Miss,
enjoyed it too. I enjoyed
Miss,
it
what is
too.
the title page?
Miss, I enjoyed this class a lot.
Thank
मिस आप
you.
पीछे
I
वाला
enjoyed it
काइंडली
too.
दिखा सकती हैं
जी बेटे.
मिस ये लेक्चर आप मिस
Yes,
आप ये
Malukan.
लेक्चर अपलोड
Yes, beta. This lecture
ये
will
आप
be uploaded. Don't worry. This lecture will be uploaded. No worries.
Okay, Miss.
What is the title?
थैंक यू
Miss, what is the title page?
The title page will be present continuous.
पीछे वाला काइंडली दिखा सकती हैं मैं उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूंगी
I will be
Miss, आप
uploading.
title page
Now you
दिखा
can
सकती है?
do it.
आप title page दिखा सकती है?
Okay, take the screenshot.
This is the title page. What is the title page?
No, I'm not showing any title page. You can make the title page yourself. You know how to make a title page. You only have to write present continuous tense on the title page. Beta.
Okay.
Clear?
तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑन है और म्यूटेड भी ऑन है मेरे पीछे वाला दिखा दें
Beta, give me 1 minute.
शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Faiz Irfan, if you are not in Pakistan, then inform the school bete for this. How will you upload the work? Okay.
Miss, I am done with my work as well.
Okay, then take care of yourself,
I
everyone.
don't understand what I was saying.
Miss.
What am
Allah
I?
Hafiz. Allah
Hafiz,
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Faiz Irfan.
Miss.
Faiz Irfan, are you there?
Allah Hafiz, Miss.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Miss, bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Allah Hafiz. Miss, take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Stay safe, everyone, and take care. Everyone.
Allah Hafiz.
Bas, enough. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Khuda
Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz, everyone. Okay, bye. Take care.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.